Are you looking for a DSLR camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best DSLR cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Canon EOS 90D. Capture everything from high-speed sporting events to simple, everyday moments with the EOS 90D camera. Featuring a 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, powerful Digic 8 image processor, 4K 30p video, and more, it can achieve sharp, stunning results no matter where your photography venture takes you. The Digic 8 image processor maintains sharp results and fast operation, even at high ISO settings and virtually any lighting situation. It helps ensure lifelike images with minimal noise or grain. The 4th product on the list is the Nikon D850. Extreme resolution meets extreme speed. When Nikon introduced the D800 and D850, it set a new benchmark for DSLR image quality and super high-resolution photography that approached medium format. Now, 5 years later, Nikon proudly introduces the next evolution in high-resolution DSLRs, a camera that allows photographers to capture fast action in 45.7 megapixels of brilliant resolution. The 3rd product on the list is the Canon 5D Mark IV. The EOS 5D Mark IV delivers high-resolution still and 4K video files with incredible clarity and detail. It pairs a 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor with a 61-point AF system and more operational enhancements. See legendary with the inspiring performance you can rely on for your most important ideas. The EOS 5D Mark IV camera incorporates Canon's impressive technological and engineering know-how into an SLR that delivers stunning still photographs and 4K video virtually anywhere. The 2nd product on the list is the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. The EOS Rebel T8i features autofocus technology that helps capture moments in impressive detail, whether you're capturing friends, family, or even fast-moving subjects like pets or athletes. The EOS Rebel T8i can shoot up to 7 frames per second, perfect for capturing sports, wildlife, or anything unpredictable with practically no time wasted. While you look through the optical viewfinder, Canon's intelligent EOS ITR AF technology detects and tracks your subject's face, switching AF points automatically to keep them in clear focus. The 1st product on the list is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. The Canon EOS 6D Mark II camera puts full-frame performance into a compact, fully featured DSLR. With amazing image quality, fast and accurate autofocus, and the versatility desired for numerous environments, the EOS 6D Mark II offers creative content makers a camera that's as fun as it is powerful. The EOS 6D Mark II camera combines a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with the excellent Digic 7 image processor and an ISO range of 100 to 40,000 to deliver photos and videos of incredible quality. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.